In this example, the client returned after 2 weeks, requiring only a rebalance method without complete product removal. Begin by removing the previous product and carefully prepping the nails. If your client desires shorter nails, consider trimming them down by 25%. Primer application. Apply mongup primer only to the natural nail area. U-gel application. Begin by applying a thin coat of the U-gel to the entire nail surface, and do not cure. Continue to add a small bead of the U-gel near the cuticle. Gently push the gel close to the cuticle. Try to avoid to touch the gel to the cuticle. Gently pull the gel down to the free edge. As you can see, the U-gel will automatically leveling by itself. Utilize gravity by flipping the nail 3 to 5 seconds to guide the gel towards the center, creating the apex. If necessary, refine the gel application with a detail brush to get your desired perfection. Flash cure. Secure the gel by flash curing for 10 to 15 seconds using the USB flash cure light. Repeat the previous steps for the entire hand, then fully cure the gel in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Apply the desired gel color and fully cure each coat for 60 seconds. Apply U-shine to protect the gel polish and create a long-lasting, beautiful shine. Thank you for watching mongup tutorial. To learn more, please visit mongup.com.